Hello and welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. Today's video is all going to be about the inhalation method, how to use essential oils in the inhalation method in order to get the best boosted effects, the health effects of that. So for the inhalation method, it's usually used to help relieve the colds, relieve sinus problems, relieve issues with coughing and influenza. And all you would need to get started is simply a large bowl and cover that with nearly boiling water. Start by sprinkling 2 drops of the essential oil that's used for fighting colds and influenza, and I would recommend tea tree or eucalyptus. So sprinkle 2 drops of eucalyptus and tea tree inside the water, cover your head with a towel and inhale the aroma, the steam coming out for 15 to 20 minutes. Now please be careful, make sure you stay away from, don't inhale any boiling water, and make sure to protect your skin. That way, please keep this away from children. This process is really important because it helps to clear out the sinuses, helps to relieve colds, helps to ease breathing as well. But just a little bit of warning here, remove your glasses or your contact lenses before you do that, and make sure you close your eyes as well during the steam, because the essential oil vapor, the steam from the essential oils can also cause irritation to your eyes. So keep your eyes closed. Anyone who has asthma, please avoid the inhalation method. I've got a video talking about the do and don'ts for people who have asthma in regards to using essential oils. So if you suffer from asthma, avoid the inhalation method and use other methods that are much more soothing and gentle for that as well. So we've come towards the end of our video. Please consult a qualified aromatherapist if you have further questions and specific information you would like to know regarding your own situation. And if you enjoyed today's content, like, share and subscribe. We would love to have you on board. Take care and have a great day. Bye bye.